Hey guys, Michelle here, and today I'm going to show you step by step how you can create this super cute bag completely out of heat transfer scraps. So let's go ahead and let's get gathering our scraps. Today we're going to be creating a really cute Christmas tree with some heat transfer vinyl here on this bag. So I'm using a ton of scraps today. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create the bottom of my Christmas tree, which I'm just going to use this gold. I'm going to just cut out a little rectangle here and then put it right here. And then I'm going to start building the layers of my tree. So I'm going to take this, and the fun part about this design is it does not have to be perfect. So I'm just going to cut strips of heat transfer vinyl, and I want to make them each a little bit smaller than the previous one to make sure it gives that effect of a tree. We're going to take some red and we're going to do a few little red strips. Kind of just around. We're going to take our star, we're going to put that at the top. And the star we ended up cutting with our cutting machine. Just made it a little bit easier. And then we are ready to head over to the heat press to apply it all. So here we are at our heat press. And what we're going to do is we're just going to carry our bag directly over here to our heat press. And you can do this with an iron too. You don't have to have a press. And so what we're going to do is I'm just going to arrange it and make sure that none of these layers are overlapping, because if anything is overlapping, that's where we'll start to have an issue. Now that I have everything arranged in the proper spot, I'm just going to put my Teflon sheet right on top, and I'm going to press. Okay, and then from here, what we will do is we will remove our carrier sheets. Now, if you're using any kind of specialty vinyl while you're doing this, you just want to keep that into consideration. Like, this is flocked and this is like a shimmer, so I know that those need to be cooled off before I can peel the carrier sheets off of those. So I'm going to pull it out of my press so that I can let them cool off. Okay, and now that I have that, it's time for me to put my star up on at the top. So I'm going to overlap it just a little bit. Put my star on there, and then I'm going to add a couple of these little red pieces on the tree just to kind of give it some dimension. Add a little bit of red, a little bit of gold, and kind of put them all over. Once I have those placed all over wherever I want them to go, now we're going to give it one more press. We're going to put the Teflon sheet on the top and then give it another press. go in and I can peel up all of the carrier sheets one more time. Thanks guys for tuning in today. Didn't that turn out so cute? Perfect for your holiday craft fairs to collect all of your goodies in. So I can't wait to see what your scrap trees look like, and I'll see you back on the next tutorial. Bye.